everyone, my name is Katie and I'm here for Rogers Environmental Education Center in Sherburne, New York. Today we're going to be doing a simple craft which is called Pinecone bird feeders, and you only need a few simple things. You need some yarn or string to hang up your pinecone when you're done, some scissors to cut it, something to make your pinecone sticky. In this case I'm using peanut butter. You can also use a vegetable shortening such as Crisco, your pinecone, and your bird seed. So for this craft, you'll take your pinecone, put it on a surface you don't mind getting a little sticky or dirty. I have a disposable plate right here. And you will take your piece of yarn now and cut it to length and tie it to your pinecone. Next, you'll take your peanut butter or vegetable shortening, whichever you are using, and use it to cover your pinecone. What you'll do is you'll take your bird seed and use it to cover your pinecone. Once you got your bird seed on your pinecone, you can hang it up outside and watch your birds come to your feeder. And once again, I would like to thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you at our next craft video.